Hi, my name is Bill Harrison. I'm the Quality Assurance Manager at 3C Packaging. 3C, along with partners like della and Domino, help us exceed our customers' expectations.
3C Packaging is a full-service designer and manufacturer of printed packaging components, primarily serving the pharmaceutical and healthcare industries.
You know, Joey, that is what we do. But 3C is more than that. 3C is a group of powerful managers and power associates that get the job done for our clients.
This is a carton we designed for a customer to increase their uptime on their automatic bottle filling equipment. We take the carton, we take the insert, we put it inside. Special flap design to fold over. We glue it. Bottles go into the carton every time, 0 defects. This piece of equipment here is an opening force tester, which actually measures the force take to open that carton each time. Part of that involves designing it up front correctly and then following through when we actually glue it up.
Our philosophy here at 3C Packaging is to impress our customers beyond their expectations.
And we work together with companies like Domino, like the coating companies, like the ink companies, to get that product running down the pharmaceutical line as fast as possible with minimal, if any, stops.
This is our newest folder where we take the literature, feed it in, we scan it. We fold it to make a ribbon. We fold the ribbon over on itself several times, glue it, do delivery, and the final pack out.
I think the new challenge in our industry, which we're going to touch a little bit, is serialization. This is a big challenge for the pharma companies, and they're going to be looking to us as a resource, and we feel we could help them, especially with our clear code application and Domino's help.
3C Packaging was approached by a major pharmaceutical company. This pharmaceutical company had 2 needs. The first need was that they needed to put serialization onto their cartons and their labels. One requirement was that they did not want to use the standard black box that was normally used in the industry. Second was that they did not want to hamper their line speeds. So we had to reach out with 2 critical partners in this particular venture. We had to reach out to della on one hand to supply a pigmented coating that actually changes a clear coating to a black image. Second is we had to find a company that actually was the leading manufacturer of lasers for pharmaceutical companies, which is Domino. We got rid of the black box for the customer. We were able to image onto the clear coat, and we also increased their line speeds by 10 to 15%.
3C Packaging is proud to be one of 6 companies in the world that are Pantone certified. That means when customers entrust us with producing their cartons, their labels, their inserts, their outserts, their flexible packaging, they're going to match their brand color, and they're going to match each other every time.
So we take the die-cut printed sheets, we put it in the feeder on the box gluer, go through a pre-break section. Then we take the insert from the other business unit, we glue it inside after placing it, we glue the carton. We scan it with barcode scanners. It goes through a folding section, into the trombone. It gets the weld time to set up, then we go to the feed area. Last step of the process is consistent pack out.
The pharmaceutical industry is going to face this challenge of serialization. We know we could help them with our clear code and the help of Domino's lasers.
With 3C and our strategic partners, there's no customer problem we can't solve.
Thanks, Domino, and thanks, della.
Thank you, Domino.
And thank you, della.